Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Burger King Bacon King. First, gather your ingredients. 2 1/4-pound beef patties, 6 strips of thick-cut smoked bacon, 2 slices of American cheese, a sesame seed bun, mayonnaise, and ketchup. This recipe focuses on an easy method to recreate this popular burger right in your own kitchen, ensuring a delicious and satisfying meal for any burger enthusiast. Next, let's cook our components. Grill or pan fry your 2 1/4-pound beef patties until they reach your preferred doneness, seasoning them generously. While the patties cook, fry the 6 strips of thick-cut bacon until they are perfectly crispy. Don't forget to lightly toast your sesame seed bun halves. Finally, place 1 slice of American cheese on each hot patty to melt beautifully. Now it's time to assemble your delicious Bacon King. Start by spreading a generous amount of mayonnaise on the bottom half of your toasted bun and ketchup on the top half. Place 1 cheese-covered beef patty onto the bottom bun. Next, layer 3 strips of your crispy bacon over the patty. Then, add the second cheese-covered patty, followed by the remaining 3 bacon strips. To finish, place the top bun half onto your assembled burger. Serve your homemade Bacon King immediately and enjoy the incredible flavors. This burger pairs wonderfully with a side of crispy French fries or golden onion rings. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look for the link in the description below. This easy method truly brings the restaurant experience right into your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.